The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not contain a specific regulation regarding the height of a main circuit breaker for a standby generator set. However, there are some general NEC guidelines for the installation of electrical equipment that might be relevant. NEC Section 110.26 C states that electrical equipment must be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner. This requirement could be interpreted to mean that the main circuit breaker should be installed at a height that is easily accessible for both maintenance and operation. A breaker that is too high could be deemed not to be installed in a workmanlike manner. NEC Section 110.16 states that electrical equipment must be installed and used in accordance with any instructions included in the listing or labeling. This means that if the generator set manufacturer has provided instructions for the installation of the main circuit breaker, these instructions must be followed. Following these instructions is critical for code compliance and safe operation. As a general best practice, the main circuit breaker should be installed at a height that is accessible for maintenance and operation. This ensures the generator set can be operated safely and efficiently. Accessibility promotes safety and reduces the risk of accidents during maintenance or emergency situations. If the main circuit breaker is installed at a height that is not easily accessible, options for improving accessibility include the generator set manufacturer providing a ladder or other means of access. The owner of the generator set could install a platform or other permanent means of access to facilitate safe operation and maintenance. The goal is to ensure that qualified personnel can safely operate and maintain the equipment. While the NEC does not provide a specific height requirement for generator main circuit breakers, the general principles of neat and workmanlike installation, adherence to manufacturer instructions, and ensuring accessibility for maintenance and operation are essential for code compliance and safe operation. These considerations are crucial for any installation of electrical equipment, including standby generator sets.